Alright, Year 8, welcome to this video where I'm going to be quickly going over the challenge questions in lesson 3 for triangular prisms, and hopefully you can get all the correct answers for these. So question 8 is the first challenge question, and it says calculate the volume of the composite shape below. Now composite means it's made up of many different shapes. So composite shape has many different ones, more than one different shape in it. Do not include units as there are none specified below. Okay, so you can see this is a composite shape. What's the shape on the top? It's a triangular prism. And at the bottom is a rectangular prism. Even though it looks like a cube, I knew that it was a rectangular prism because a cube has equal sides, whereas this one does not. So to find the volume of the composite shape, we need to break this up into two parts. The first part we're going to look at the top part, which is the triangular prism, which I'm going to shade in green. Actually, that doesn't really help, does it? So, oh, that's even worse. Sorry, team. I'll choose a bit of a lighter color. So that's the triangular prism in green. And then in yellow, we'll focus on the rectangular prism later. So I'm splitting it up into two different parts. Okay, so let's look at the triangular prism first. Remember, to find the area of a triangular prism, you need to find the area of the triangle that's at the front and then multiply your answer by the length. So this side here is going to equal 10. Because they're parallel, that's going to be 10. This side here is going to be 8. So because they're parallel, that's going to be 8. And we can see that the height is 9. So we have all the information we need to do this question now. So to find the area, the volume, we need to do half times the base. So remember the base was 10 because it's parallel. Half times base times vertical height, which is 9. And then multiply that by the length, which is 8, which I got from here. Chuck that in your calculator. 10 times 9 is 90. 90 times 8 is 720. Then multiply that by half. And that gives you 360 units cubed. Okay, so we've just found the volume of the top. Now we need to find the volume of the bottom as well. So to find the volume of the bottom as well, remember, to find the volume of a rectangular prism, you multiply the base times length times height. So the volume will be 10 times 8 times 7. 10 times 8 is 80. 80 times 7 is 560. To get your final answer, you need to add these two together, and that will give you the total area of this object. So that was question number 8.